A black hole is a mass in space with such strong gravitational pull that light cannot escape it. The pull of gravity is so strong that it can slow down time. A black hole is the densest thing we have ever found in the known universe. A black hole has a brother, and they're called white holes. Space.com and NASA both say they look the same, but some people do not think that white holes are real. So many questions still remain unanswered about black holes and white holes. When two or more black holes collide, they can create what Space.com calls a supermassive black hole. Some people believe that supermassive black holes exist at the center of every galaxy. NASA scientists believe that there are literally hundreds of billions of galaxies in the known universe. Astronomers or scientists who study our solar system and the cosmos think that a supermassive black hole exists at the center of the galaxy that we live in the Milky Way. A black hole can be formed by anything with mass. It just needs to be compressed under its own weight. The world could be turned into a black hole, but first it would have to be compressed to around the size of a penny. Over time, some objects compress or get smaller under their own weight, while others expand or get larger. A neutron star is a very dense and extremely hot star. According to Wikipedia, their temperature can reach an incredible 10 to the 12th degrees Fahrenheit. That's 1 trillion degrees. A neutron star has on average a mass 10% larger than our Sun. Plus, the gravity on a neutron star is 2 times 10 to the 11th power stronger than Earth's gravitational pull. Space.com and Wikipedia both agree on this. A neutron star is a lot like a black hole in that they both have a gravitational pull that is extremely strong, and they can both suck other matter in them from incredible distance. Astronomers using NASA's Swift X-ray telescope have detected a neutron star within 250 to 1,000 light years of Earth, making it the closest neutron star ever known. The object, located in the constellation Ursa Minor, or the Little Dipper, is nicknamed Calvera after the villain in the movie The Magnificent Seven. Stars and planets everywhere in our nighttime sky. The further away we get from cities and light sources, the more of them we can see. Astronomers classify the stars and planets by their size and apparent brightness or temperature. One of the easiest ways to tell the difference between stars and planets in the night sky is by looking to see if the object twinkles or shimmers. This can usually be decided with the naked eye if you have a clear view of the sky. And if you watch the sky for long enough, the stars twinkle and shimmer, hence the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Early civilizations used the movement of the sun and stars to track time. The ancient Egyptians are credited with inventing the sundial, a device which could be used along with the light and sun to track the hours of daylight each day. Other ancient people used calendars or similar devices to track days, months, and years, or to tell them when to plant their crops. Many archaeologists believe that the pyramids and Stonehenge are examples of ancient technology which people used to track the sun and stars and keep track of time, seasons, and years. Our planet, Earth, and even Jupiter and Saturn are very small when compared to our Sun. Jupiter is roughly 1,300 times bigger than Earth, and our Sun is roughly 1,000 times bigger than Jupiter in mass. Astronomers and scientists use charts and graphs to track and classify stars and planets. In this graph, we can see how the different planets relate to Earth in size and an average number of planets per star. That might be expected throughout the cosmos. Early humans used to track stars and planetary movements and make predictions about the future based on these movements. Today we call this practice astrology. Stars come in many shapes and sizes. Astronomers classify them by their relative size and temperature. There are red giants, white dwarfs, and blue giants, to name a few. Some of them are unimaginably large. Scuti is believed to be the largest star in the universe. It is believed to be 1,700 times larger than our Sun and is called a red supergiant star. Scuti is so gigantic it would be as large as Saturn's orbit around our Sun. Some astronomers think that supermassive black holes exist within the universe that are bigger than the entire galaxies. While we do not know quite a lot about black holes, white holes and neutron stars, most astronomers think that we're just starting to understand them.